We installed a new thermostat. Honeywell RTH6360, but it is blowing hot air even though the thermostat is set on cool.
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
Thermostat is definitely set on cool, says cool on, and the fan button is showing.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
What about the filters?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Yes.
Russ here. Did you go into installer setup and set for heat pump? Russ.
No. Our old thermostat was not set up for a heat pump and it was working fine. Are you still there?
Yes, still here. The 6350 has to be set up for heat pump. It work on about 9 different applications. Russ.
We have the 6360. Is that also true? We used the default settings and it was still blowing only hot air.
All 6000 thermostats program the same. Here is a manual. That may be operator's manual. Press fan and up button for 4 seconds. Installer setup will come up. Setup option 5 for heat pump. Russ.
There is not a fan button. I pressed the button under fan and the plus button for 4 seconds, but setup didn't come up. I have a screen that says ISU, which I assume means setup. But my options under that are like 120 halves, or 125 0.
ISU 120 is for setting to manual or programmable. Advanced to 200 set at 2. Went to my service truck and pulled manual. Russ.
Okay. We've done that and are putting the box back on. We'll let you know in a minute. Cool on is flashing, but no air is coming out at all. Does it take a while to start?
5-minute delay is automatic.
Haha, okay. We'll keep you posted in 5 minutes then.
I will be here.
It is still doing nothing. It says fan on and cool on, but it hasn't kicked on yet. We also checked our breaker to make sure it was back on.
Turn fan to on and see it blows. Russ.
It is on fan on. It was the whole time.
Nothing blowing.
Right.
Take picture of wiring on thermostat and attach. Please.
This is what it looks like.
The orange wire goes to the OB terminal. Make sure that yellow wires is all the way in terminal. You may have blown a fuse in air handler. Check low voltage fuse on fan board and unit. It will be a 3 or 5 amp auto type fuse. Russ.
Nothing goes in the W?
No, nothing.
Okay. We rewired the orange. Will it have another 5 minutes delay?
Yes. We still may have to check fuse and air handler. Russ.
Yep, we're checking that now. Can you tell if the fuse is blown from the fuse box? Or only from the air handler?
No, you have to remove panel and look at the board. The fuse is located on board.
Okay.
Can you give me model number of outside unit? I know it is late, but I need that to check a wire on terminals at Thermostat.
Trying to open the panel. How do we find the low voltage fuse? Whoa. Okay.
It is a 5 amp auto type fuse plugged into board. Russ.
We found it and put in a new fuse. It came on. Now to see if it is cold.
Okay.
Yay. It is on, and blowing cold air. Thank you so much.
Great, glad you are back online. Great work on your part. I am impressed. I will open rate box. Russ.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.